There is a mystery unfolding in the darkness of space, something ancient, something watching. We've given it a name to feel in control, to make it sound like science instead of a warning. We call it 3-Eye Atlas. But behind that name hides something far more unsettling. Because no one truly knows what this object is, or why it's here. 3-Eye Atlas isn't behaving like a comet, an asteroid, or anything born from our solar system. It moves wrong. It glows wrong. It's made of materials that shouldn't exist here. And the deeper astronomers look, the clearer it becomes that this object didn't just wander into our system by accident. It's here for a reason. It all began when astrophotographers in Namibia captured rare images during a lunar eclipse. Under the darkest skies on Earth, they turned their lenses toward 3-Eye Atlas, and what they saw stunned them. The object was glowing bright green. But here's the problem, it shouldn't be. Normal comets only turn green due to carbon molecules reacting with sunlight. Yet, when scientists analyzed the data, they found no carbon chains at all. 3-Eye Atlas is glowing, but not for any reason we can explain. It's as if the light is deliberate, controlled, alive. The comet's halo is filled with carbon dioxide, not water vapor like ordinary comets. And hidden inside that gas are traces of nickel metal. But here's the impossible part. Metals like nickel only vaporize when a comet gets extremely close to the Sun. 3-Eye Atlas was still between Mars and Jupiter when it started releasing metal. Unless, of course, it isn't a comet at all. Because high nickel content and carbon dioxide are also what you'd find in the exhaust of a spacecraft engine. The heat, the glow, the emissions, everything fits the profile of something burning fuel. Something moving itself. Even more disturbing is how perfectly it's moving. Since its discovery in May, 3-Eye Atlas hasn't sped up, slowed down, or drifted, not even slightly. That's impossible for a comet. Solar heating should make it wobble or shift like a drifting ship. But 3-Eye Atlas moves with eerie precision, steady, unchanging, as though guided. Some scientists are now whispering the unthinkable. What if it's being steered? Its mass is also increasing. Instead of losing material as it nears the Sun, it's somehow getting heavier, 10 billion tons at first, now more than 30 billion. It's not evaporating. It's absorbing. Building. Or maybe feeding. And its shape, long, sharp, perfectly stable, only deepens the mystery. Then came the discovery that connected this object to one of the most haunting signals in human history. The WOW! Signal of 1977. That powerful, 72-second burst of radio energy came from deep space, from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius. Its frequency, 1420 MHz, corresponds exactly to the hydrogen line, the universal constant every advanced civilization would recognize. For decades, no one could explain it. Now, astronomers have traced the trajectory of 3-Eye Atlas, and found it came from that same region of space. The math shows that around 1977, the year the WOW! Signal was detected, 3-Eye Atlas would have been sitting just beyond Pluto, perfectly positioned to send that transmission before entering our system. What if the signal wasn't a greeting from afar, but a message from something already on its way? What if WOW! Was never meant to say hello, but to say, I'm coming? As 3-Eye Atlas drifts closer to the inner solar system, it's holding its impossible course, calm, precise, deliberate. Some believe it's observing us. Others think it's waiting. Maybe it's preparing. Whatever it is, it's not random. It's not natural. And the silence from official channels only makes one thing certain: someone, somewhere, already knows more than they're telling us. When 3-Eye Atlas passes behind the Sun, we'll lose sight of it for weeks. But when it reappears on the other side, everything might change.